Teaching learning materials are often used as tools to make learning concrete and interesting. This capsule is a compilation of the different ways in which TLMs are used in classroom to meet the needs of students. All the video clippings are from government high schools. A TLM can be used at any point in the teaching learning process. In this classroom, we see the teacher asking the students to work hands-on to understand how electricity flows through metals. The teacher feels a hands-on learning will help them understand the concept better.
Actually, I think TLM, it helps us a lot to explain minute things. Like for example, about electricity. Students know that electric current flows through the wire, but actually they don't know that copper wire is inside that rubber wire. So to show them live and to tell them and explain them using TLM, it is easier for us to explain them. If I just go and explain them that so and so happens, this and this is a good conductor, this and this is a bad conductor. Some may just like bookworms, they revise it and then they study. But we want them to remember it for lifetime or maybe in future. So doing it by themselves or hands-on, as we say, I think some students will remember it for more years and they will recall that whatever they are doing.
In these classrooms, we see the TLM being used very differently. The teachers in these classrooms use charts and PowerPoint as TLM. In each of these classrooms, the TLM are made to meet the needs of students with regard to the particular topic being taught. The headmistress of Government High School Malkarne talks about how and why she uses the school space as a teaching learning resource.
I thought that when students look at the concepts every day, when they see things, they learn better. Okay, the real life experiences that they observe. Okay, the same learning, if it is there with them, okay, they will learn the things, they learn the concepts better. So with that intention, we thought of painting all the walls, and not just an artistic painting or things like that. We thought of painting concepts. So whatever grants we got as teaching aids and the prize money we got from the national award, we thought of using it to introduce graffiti in our school. Graffiti was introduced, and the first thing that came to my mind is we should be working on the tables, because they are the numerical skills and children, especially of the government school, are poor. So to enhance those skills, we thought of writing tables on the stairs. So when they see it every day, okay, knowing or unknowingly, they happen to read that, and the concepts remain with them for lifelong. And then teachers, when they are teaching basic concepts like this vowels and consonants, when they are teaching longitude, latitude, they tend to mention about this, and students do come during their break or recess period, they pass this side, okay, so they happen to see all these things and they relate all these concepts to their learning. When you actually put it on walls or make it permanent like this, it will remain for many years.
In the next few slides are pointers on how to effectively use TLMs in the classroom. This is not an exhaustive list, but general pointers on how to maximize the use of TLMs. These are the grammar charts made by students of Government High School Naveli. Each student has a copy of the chart and carries it every day to use it in class whenever necessary.